The hotel is conveniently located right opposite to the Euston railway station. The staff were friendly and we were happy with their service. The breakfast was beyond our expectation, for the variety and the quality of the food. Great location close to Euston Tube Station and bus stops. Staff are friendly and very helpful. This Hilton is a substandard Hilton, but they try their best. Clean, and if you ask, they will provide you with the regular amenities. We just come back from Manchester by train stop at Euston Station, so the hotel is only 5 minutes walk and also very convenient to those who like shopping. The rooms are super, but the only problem is the rooms is not soundproof. Really nothing around here to see, as far as what is in guidebooks. The station was convenient as it is a fairly large one and easy to get to wherever you needed to in London. It is very safe and nice, just no sightseeing in walking distance. Very convenient location next to 2 undergrounds and train station in Euston. Staffs are very nice and helpful. They gave me valuable advices of London sightseeing, but the room is too small for a couple with a child to stay in. The restaurant is cozy but expensive. Nice and clean, very convenient to public transportation. Slightly inferior to traditional Hilton hotels. If you ask, they will provide you with standard amenities. Staff are cordial and very helpful. They try very hard to please. Breakfast is reasonable and sufficient. They will cook you omelette if you ask for it. Had a pleasant stay. Every time I travel to London, I always choose to stay in the Bloomsbury area as it's peaceful and everything's within a walking distance. As I was on a short stay, Hilton Euston was a good choice. It's within walking distance to the underground and near a shopping mall. The hotel staff were courteous and helpful and the room we stayed in was good overall. The hotel has changed little since it was the Euston Plaza. I was expecting more of an upgraded hotel. One lift in operation is an issue. However, room was fine, but you can get noise from Euston Road if you are at the front side of the hotel. I was only aware once awake, but if you are a light sleeper it could be an issue. Staff were friendly and efficient. I would stay at the right price as its location near 3 mainline stations, great bus and tube links, and it's a nice walk to the West End. It's our second stay in this hotel, and we highly recommend it to everyone. Such an amazing value. 2 minutes walking to Euston Station. 7 minutes walking to Euston Square and 10 minutes to King Cross Street Pancras, for Eurostar trains, which was definitely a plus in terms of convenience. Euston Station has many small cafes and a very big M&S supermarket. Although on one occasion we had to wake up at 5 a.m. for a false fire alarm and had to stay outside under the rain for about 10 minutes till we were allowed back in the hotel. Very nice. If I go to London, I will stay Hilton London Euston. It was a really enjoyable stay at Hilton London Euston Hotel. It is centrally located and the quality is superb. We enjoyed our stay and were very satisfied with the hotel rooms and comfort. Exactly what we expect from a Hilton. Close by Euston Station. Awesome if you're traveling to different cities in UK by train. Room is clean and tidy. Can use a bit more amenities. Hilton London Euston was exactly what I needed in my latest travels. Short walk to London Euston, clean, comfortable and value for money. Pretty standard 4-star hotel. Only one night to be closer to Eurostar. I was happy with the room save for a squeaky floor. It was spacious and had an ample bathroom. Always a good breakfast at Hilton hotels. The hotel is located 5-minute walk from Euston Tube on the Northern Line and only a few stops into central London. The rooms were a reasonable size for London and nice and clean. Hotel staff were very friendly and helpful. The hotel is located in very central of London and easy to take tube or bus. The service of the hotel was also good. We could get the hotel map from the reception and use internet Wi-Fi at the lobby. The room was clean and quiet.